Hi, Boss Babes of South Africa. I'm Lindsey Wallet, founder and lead consultant at C Contact Solutions. We are a digital transformation firm helping businesses reduce waste, automate the boring stuff, and focus on what really moves the needle. I'm deeply passionate about technology, the value it unlocks in underserved industries, the opportunity it holds to create wealth, and of course, the problems that come along with it. I want to share a few practical ways that South African women can use AI to unlock their power. Because AI is a layered topic with new pieces constantly being added, we'll stick to the fundamentals. So what is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, has actually been around since the 1950s. The game changed though in 2022 when generative AI came on the scene. Generative AI refers to tools that can create content like text, images, or even computer code using simple prompts. Power move number 1, prompting. Power language for power suits. AI works well when you give it clear sets of instructions. So here's a little guideline to help you. Be clear, say exactly what you want, offer context, give a background, give context on where this information came from or what you're trying to achieve. Set the role. Tell AI who you'd like it to be. Do you want it to be a social media manager? Do you want it to be a marketing exec? Do you want it to be a data analyst? Tell AI who you'd like it to be. Give a specific format. Would you like it in a table, a list, a paragraph? What exactly would you like? And lastly, don't settle for the first draft. Refine, rebuild, rerun, reiterate. Ask the AI or tell the AI to ask questions when it's stuck. Think of it like a junior colleague who needs to create a report for the first time. Give very clear instructions, leave the door open for questions, and give guidance as and when needed until the output is exactly what you'd like it to be. The second power move with AI is to unlock value. AI is best used when it saves time, improves quality, and gives you space to do other things. The best way to start? With a paper and pen. Write your process down from start to finish, including everything you do to get the job done. Then take a picture, use speech to text to annotate into the AI or type it out and tell the AI exactly what you do in the process. Then ask the AI, what parts of this process can I automate? What part of this process shouldn't I automate or should I reconsider? And lastly, which tools are the best to automate this process? This works really well with your cold email campaigns, your frequently asked questions in customer service environments, your lead qualification, and basic admin tasks. Key thing to remember, if your process is not repeatable and clearly defined, AI will not be able to solve it effectively. The third power move is AI as your creative partner. Only you can tell your story. Only you know the nuance, the emotions, and the detail behind it. But AI can help you with that. AI can proofread, can rewrite, can help you brainstorm ideas, product names, summarize research or competitor analysis. It can help you create slide decks, video scripts, and brand visuals. Try a tool like Canva. Canva has a magic write and an AI tool that will help you design visuals where you're stuck and give you great ideas on how to create great visuals for your brand. Pro tip, if you're new to AI, start with a tool like ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Microsoft Copilot, whichever one. They're a really great launch pad for your ideas and for you to understand what's possible, and they're really great tools to direct you on where to go next. Because it's conversational, meaning that you can speak to it as you do with a human, you can text it as you do a conversation with your friend. It will really guide you in your thinking, in the best tools and the best way to approach it. The fourth power move, the responsible use of AI. AI is a powerful tool, but not without risks. A few things you need to keep in mind. Confidentiality is key. Do not paste personal or private information about your company, yourself, or your client into an AI tool. Not all tools are created equally. Secondly, AI is open to bias and hallucinations. What this means is that AI can give you incorrect information or information that might be biased towards particular groups. Ask for credible sources and validate the information you receive from AI. AI is great with helping to automate tasks, but remember, automation with no plan to reskill or upskill will breed resentment. AI is there to enhance your capabilities and your capacity, but not to erase your contribution. If you're anything like me, don't get caught up in the shiny tool syndrome. Don't chase every new tool out on the market. While there might be some enhancements to a tool that can optimize or bring new value to the process, try to work with the tool and stick to the tool as far as possible. Identify your highest point of friction and which tool will best fit your use case in order to solve the problem. Another key thing with AI tends to be a bit agreeable. She will tell you what you need to hear when you need to hear it, but that's not what you want. So have your AI tool critically analyze your thinking or your assumptions and tell the tool directly, give me critical feedback on this, challenge my assumptions on this. You want clarity and not hype. Remember, AI is not always trained in real time. So some AI tools might be limited to the data at the last training date. That means that any real-time information might not be accessible into your in your AI tool as in when you need it. So ask your AI for dates. It will bring back the last train date that will help you as a guide to where you need to start your independent research from. The other thing that's really important that you need to remember with AI is that it needs to have a human in the loop. What that means is that you need to be in control of the final decision. AI can suggest, can summarize, can automate, but it does not outsource your responsibility and your judgment. Your experience still leads the output. The fifth power move with AI is claiming your space. You don't need to be a tech expert to benefit from AI. You just need clarity, curiosity, and a willingness to experiment. Work is going to look different, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Work has been evolving for